Nice cutoff and nice exit dive. Well, it's in advance, but you get it. Nope. You see, I don't get the point of doing that when all the traffic's going to be stopped over there anyway. It makes no difference if you cut across the thing or you don't. Wait, why is that guy coming over here? Again, this lane's about to end in about a mile or so anyways, and we're all stopped. Like, how much time do you expect to save by coming over here? Well, you got to merge back in with those lanes with all the cars anyways. I don't get people. I really don't.
You don't have that information, and you're saying the other person was right? Even if you only did 5 minutes
Nope.
every day for a single year.
Yeah, I don't get why you have to do that. Plenty of traffic over here and over there as well.
Account for the time.
Nope. Again.
They annihilate and turn into something else. And what you got to do is measure that something else. So people are looking
really?
for neutrinos. You know where those detectors are?
The fuck?
Underneath the ice at the South Pole.
That's ice cube.
Does anyone like not know how to, does everyone not know how to fucking drive here? Don't tell me you're gonna move back to the, good. Yeah, go on. Like, what, really? Really? Big green sign, tell you where to go. You're gonna take this way to Nashville, you take the other way to Boston. That's how it works.
And honestly, it's because my mom, she'd be sending me that shit all the time. Because she's still, like, she's
extra regret.
And she...
I mean, like, really, we can't follow what the big green sign says? Second week in a row where we run into that. Hey, ice! Baby! Exit dive. Nice cutoff.
Matter.
Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah.
That's about right. That's pretty cool, man.
You know, the amazing thing about that book is that I still give public lectures about it, and people are still buying lots of them. In fact, Amazon ran out again.
Whoa. Wow.
And that was a book I wrote 10 years ago, so I guess it was a good one.
Whoa.
That was
and
behind
you
me.
wrote a blurb for it. You said...
Had to do was to transfer to paper the interminable restless monologue that had been running inside his head, literally for years.
I don't think that's a left turn lane right there. Turn from the center lane.
And seeming to spring out of the surface of the screen, so that some of the people in the front row actually flinched backwards in their seats.
Extra regret.
But in the same moment, drawing a deep...
Back to them. What they have just said. And then when you do that, they're like,
nice
you
cutoff.
make it sound like I'm
Yeah, you're driving like an asshole.
Right.
And I'm like, you just said that you want to deport
To ban dogs. Oh my God. That
No,
is-
stop.
I mean, here's the thing. Obviously.
Let's see. Or do you have any favorite parts from this article?
Well, my favorite part is when the Department of Homeland Security comes.
Nope.
Yeah,
There's
let's
two of them at once.
It was right there and that. I think you just spoke about it.
Lake Placid once again stepped onto the global stage, hosting the World University Games, giving these venues yet another upgrade.
No stop
so
behind
that they
me.
all remain world class.
Except that this is just sort of a way of, this is the Republican way of starting a rumor. The way that you start the rumor that they hate
red light
dogs,
run.
that Democrats hate dogs.
Up
is
there.
This money gets split between, and you have to think about like how much do the lawyers take of that?
Yeah. Really, dude.
In 2020, as sort of money going to the victims. Going to the victims. That's all I care about is the victims getting money. I mean, I care a little bit about. All right. I'm going to take us now to another frustration.
Oh boy.
That is in Louisiana.
No, stop.
Where you know they passed what? See, like I kind of am all
No,
for
stop.
this, right? Like your motivations of like put myself into that classroom, especially when I put myself there as a child. As a child who never read anything on any wall.
Left turn from a straight lane, and also technically running the red arrow because it's red arrow here. So there's something for you.
Public funding. If it's a really, you know what I mean? Like the Catholic schools that you were talking about that are good.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No, stop. And yes, I know you guys came here for all the clips of people that run through stop signs because they're exciting, right? Well, if you want more excitement, then subscribe because, well, I create creative. Whatever. Oh, time for the wow. Really? We ain't gotta stop. Nissan driver.
It was started at the same time as like John Harvey Kellogg
No, stop.
and Sylvester Graham.
Again.
Were, like,
Although I think we're in mass now.
Fanatics, and they were.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Of course. No, stop.
I mean, we go to work and not necessarily enjoy it. People.
No trucks in the left 2 lanes. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we actually just passed the sign that actually says no trucks allowed in the left 2 lanes. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. We're in Massachusetts. It's unfortunate that we're here right now, but, you know, it is what it is. Anyway. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!